What's the meaning of biodegradable? Biodegradable. Biodegradable.
Biodegradable. Biodegradable. Biodegradable refers to the ability of a material to break down into simpler components over time through natural biological processes. This means that the material can be broken down and recycled back into the environment without causing harm or pollution. Biodegradable materials can be both naturally occurring, such as fallen leaves, or human-made, such as biodegradable plastics. They are often preferred over non-biodegradable materials because they are more environmentally friendly and reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. However, it is important to note that not all biodegradable materials degrade at the same rate, and some may require specific conditions for proper degradation.